Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the things that I'm packing for my Leh Ladakh trip, and they primarily fall into these categories. One is luggage setup, the riding gears, the winter wears, first aid kit and medical kit, tools, camera gears, and other accessories that I'm going to pack for my Leh Ladakh trip. So let's get into the specifics now. So these are the items that I'm packing for the Leh Ladakh trip. I've just arranged all these things on the floor, and I'll need to pack onto my luggage system. So here's the luggage system. This is the Desert Fox fuel bladder. Down here is the tail bag. The next one is the soft panniers luggage system from Rhinowalk. Then I have this hydration pack. These are the two bags that will get strapped onto the crash bars. Primarily these contains the tools, chain lube and all those things. I'll also be carrying this top box and the tank bag, and that's the helmet that I'm going to use for the ride. This is the riding jacket and the riding pants. Both these are from Taichi Dry Masters, so it is waterproof. This one is the thermal wear, and I'll also be carrying this rain jacket. This I got it from Decathlon. It's quite good in case of heavy rain or heavy snow. I'll wear this on top of the rain jacket. I have bought these packing cubes, two sets, one here and the other one. And what else I'm carrying? So I'll be carrying this water bottle for the regular water. This one is a thermal flask where I can fill hot water. And I'm also carrying two sets of regular t-shirts and shorts over here. And these are the two oxygen cans which I'll be carrying. Since we are going at high passes like Umlingla, where the oxygen level is pretty low, and in case of any difficulty, this might come in use. And the regular more tools, chain lube and chain cleaner. And I have two sets of these base layers, the top and bottom. And these are the warm gloves, two sets, which I'll wear it. And on top of this, I'll wear the riding gloves. Now coming back here, I have 6 sets of warm socks, woolen socks, 3 over here and 3 over here. And these are the thermals, top and bottom, 2 sets, one over here and one over here. And these are the thermal scarves. And over here I have one set of waterproof socks in case of water crossings, and if the water gets into the shoe, at least my feet is protected. And I'm also carrying this rope. In case of emergency, I need to tie the bike. For example, I'm transporting the bike through VRL's crate system, and I might use this for extra grip so that the bike is quite stable inside the cage. I also bought these woolen caps from Decathlon, thermal gloves, waterproof thermal gloves. Maybe in the snow regions I can wear it. And this is the regular Vaiataras riding gloves. And I'm also carrying this thermal jacket, which I can wear it on top of the riding jacket. And yeah, so I bought these pouches. These are activated carbon pouches. These are called Warmies, and basically you just need to rub it to activate it, and they say it will stay warm for around 8 hours. Let's see. So I have got around 6 to 7 pouches, and I can keep it wherever I want to keep my body warm. And the rest is like, this is the DJ drone that I'm taking. This is again a waterproof band, a few bungee cords, cables, and this is a DJ mic. I'm also carrying this tags. Will be quite useful in case if I have some parts that's kind of going to break or hanging, I can just tie it and get it fixed once I'm back to Bangalore. And this is the portable tire inflator from Cubo. I have around 2 to 3 power banks, and this is the SSD drive. It's around 2 TB, where I can transfer the footage from memory card to this SSD on a day-to-day basis. I have these action cameras. There's a battery pack for the action camera, the Insta360, also carrying this torch. And these are the multi-use wet wipes from Dettol, and these will be quite useful whenever required. And my toiletry kits over here, some basic medicines, and this is the first aid kit. I'm also carrying this tube in case if I want to siphon out fuel from one of these bikes to the other bikes, I can use that. A pair of microfiber towels, and this is the spray can. I'll fill water and just spray around the visor or the bike's windshield. And I'm also taking this rain repellent from Shinex Pro. goggles, and these are some of the lock systems, a few selfie sticks, and these are the Insta 360 extenders. So that's it. Maybe I'm taking too many things, or maybe I'm missing something. Let's see how it goes. So I'll just start packing and I'll take a video after I'm done with the packing. On my next video, I will share the updates on how we plan to ship the bikes to Chandigarh. And stay tuned for more updates on our Leh Ladakh trip. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also click the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you for watching this video.